If you're smashing out hundreds of crunches every day and still don't see abs, stop right now. You're not lazy, your genetics aren't cursed, you're just following the wrong plan. So stay tuned, because this is your no BS guide to getting visible abs, the smart way, in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Learn how to train your abs properly. Here's where most beginners blow it. They think abs need high reps and daily training to pop out. Wrong. Your abs are muscles just like your chest, biceps, or legs. If you don't give them real resistance, they'll never grow thick enough to stand out, even if your body fat is low. So let's fix that with 4 golden rules. Add resistance. Use weights, cables, or resistance bands. Body weight alone is fine at first, but if you want that 3D carved look, you'll eventually need to overload them. Train in the 8-15 rep range. If you can do more than 20 reps without struggling, it's too easy. Add difficulty until the last few reps make you fight for it. Progressive overload. That's just a fancy way of saying, make your abs life harder over time. Add weight, slow the tempo, or cut your rest shorter so they're always forced to adapt and grow. Twice a week is enough. You don't need to blast abs daily. They need time to recover, and that recovery is where the real growth happens. Step 2. Do the right exercises. Forget random TikTok ab circuits that burn for 30 seconds but do nothing. You only need 3 moves that hit every part of your core: upper, lower, and obliques. Exercise 1. Cable crunches for upper abs. Keep your hips locked and actually bend your spine. Don't just swing your arms. Starts kind of in reps. 1-minute rest. Exercise 2. Hanging or lying leg raises. 1 for lower abs. Too hard? Bend your knees. Still counts and still burns. 3 sets, 10-15 reps, 1-minute rest. Exercise 3. Cable side crunches or side plank raises for obliques. Load them, squeeze hard, and move with control. Your sides will light up like fire. 3 sets, 10-15 reps, 1-minute rest. That's your whole ab workout. Short, brutal, and effective. No need to waste 30 minutes doing 12 different crunch variations. Step 3. Lose the fat covering your abs. Here's the truth. You already have abs. They're just hiding under a layer of fluff you call fuel for emergencies. You can train abs all you want, but if your nutrition sucks, they'll never show. Abs are built in the gym but revealed in the kitchen. To reveal them, you need a calorie deficit, meaning you eat slightly less than you burn. A 10-15% deficit is enough to strip fat without killing your energy or muscle gains. Eat high protein, lots of veggies, and drink water like it's your job. No magic detox, no starvation, just consistent discipline. So let's wrap it up. Train abs like any other muscle, with resistance. Use smart exercises, cable crunch, leg raise, side crunch. Stay in a small calorie deficit to peel off the fat. Do this consistently for 8 to 12 weeks, and you'll finally see those lines cutting through your core. The kind that make you look in the mirror and say, damn, it's working. So stop wasting time on random crunch challenges. Train smart. Eat right. And if you're serious about transforming your body, subscribe, because this is just